Human existence is a magnificent journey of self-discovery, a fleeting adventure through the realms of time. We navigate the highs and lows, the triumphs and setbacks, weaving the fabric of our lives with resilience and courage. Yet beneath it all lies an unshakable essence, a core of strength and purpose that connects us to something greater than ourselves. In our quest for fulfillment, we are empowered to return to this source, to reclaim our innate power and embrace our true potential. A journey of liberation, a homecoming to the truth of who we are, where we find empowerment in our unity with the universe and rediscover the limitless possibilities within. For some, human existence is perceived as a finite journey, a solitary passage through the expanse of time. They navigate life's challenges with resignation, viewing the highs and lows as mere fluctuations in an otherwise mundane existence. For those who view human existence through this lens, life can feel like a monotonous march towards an inevitable end. The highs may offer fleeting moments of joy while the lows weigh heavily, each setback reinforcing the belief in the futility of it all. In this perspective, the richness and depth of experience are overlooked, and the interconnectedness of all things remains obscured. Living in this state of disconnect can lead to a profound sense of emptiness and longing, as the deeper yearnings of the soul remain unfulfilled. Without the recognition of a greater purpose or a connection to something beyond the material realm, life can feel shallow and devoid of meaning. The individual may find themselves adrift in a sea of apathy, unable to tap into their innate potential or experience the true beauty of existence. Ultimately, this perception of life as a finite and solitary journey leads to sadness and alienation. Without the recognition of the boundless possibilities that lie within and beyond, one is left to wander aimlessly, unaware of the transformative power that comes from reconnecting with the source of their being. Today's video will be covering the concept of God, a higher power, call it whatever you will, the source of all consciousness, the universe, within or without, as well as what it means to return to the source.